Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Extended Stay America Suites, Miami, Airport, Blue Lagoon. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, non-smoking rooms, pet-friendly and a 24-hour front desk. Located between Lake Joanne and Lake Mahar, this pet-friendly hotel is a 5-minute drive from Miami International Airport. It offers guest laundry services and Wi-Fi. Spacious guest studios feature full kitchenettes. A seating area with a cable TV and a work desk are furnished in every studio at Extended Stay America, Miami, Airport, Blue Lagoon. The simply styled studios feature light colors and include bath amenities. Free grab-and-go breakfast including breakfast bars, muffins, hot cereal, coffee and tea is served every morning. Weekly housekeeping services are provided for free and daily provided for a fee. Towels and linen can be exchanged at the front desk. Blue Lagoon Extended Stay America, Miami. Airport is 8 miles from Miami International Mall and Carlos Albizu University. A grab-and-go breakfast is available as well. Downtown Miami is just a 10-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.